audio.
Oh, is that filming?
Yeah, it's filming.
I guess it's filming.
Yes, but it's blinking red.
Blinking red.
Oh my god. So welcome to the first episode of 4 Idiots and a Forester.
Your heat smells like old people.
They match their glasses.
Would you like to try them on? You look like your grandmother.
Oh my god, they actually fit you better than they did them. Are you sure to get female?
No! Close
Hold
your
on, I'm gonna go first just to make sure there's no rocks, and then we're gonna hit it.
No, you're gonna let me.
Shit.
Wow. Okay.
We're gonna film that though. That'd be kind of
Yeah,
fun.
no, I'll get out and film it.
Hold on.
Let me out!
You ready to rock?
It's gonna fucking splash me.
Oh, my brakes don't work. That was fun. Yeah, those guys have more balls than I do, being up here at the lightning storm.
They probably were up here and didn't realize it was happening until now.
Because they're on KTMs.
That one guy gave me that face expression of, how did you get up here?
It's been Subaru.
You know that's how all of our videos are gonna end up.
We're gonna be like, why did we actually speak anything without a stupid accent? Yeah. Film this. Alright. This is amazing.
It is actually. It's exquisite.
It's
honestly, it does look like Scotland.
It does. This is amazing. We're above tree line, obviously. That's why it's so beautiful.
They're
Amazing up here. I mean, I've been up here many, many times before. And I filmed it. And everybody watching has seen it many times before. But not with 4 idiots in the car.
Exactly.
Just one. Just usually one or two idiots.
We need
Wow,
t-shirts.
that is actually gorgeous. Holy shit. Ah,
Gorgeous. That is gorgeous. Starts taking selfies.
Wait, don't move. Don't move.
Fuck that noise.
oh, there's Tootsie Rolls in my seat! Fuck yeah! These Tootsie Rolls are so good. Well, I kept them warm with my butt. That's how Josh lures us into his car. He just takes a bag of Tootsie Rolls and like sprinkles them all over the car. He's like, they're coming! Oh yeah!
Oh no! That's when we go off a cliff.
Wow.
Roll down your window.
This is so pretty up here.
Ow! I say we climb to that top of the mountain.
Which
Or
one?
that top of the mountain.
You can't go off road.
Duh.
Well, I walk with my legs. Tootsie Roll stuck
So
in
should
my
we
teeth.
follow them? I kind of want to put the GoPro outside, but we need like another GoPro. Oh, they're reversing.
Why?
The off-road mobiles are reversing.
A panic.
They're panicking. Are they asking?
We're panicking!
Someone
Alpine
asked me
tundra.
about it. I really need to
Found
know.
only in the Arctic and isolated in high
Are
mountain
they
ranges.
gonna do something? I would
Tundra
like to
has
go
a
up
very short growing season.
It does.
Shallow
like
soils
3
and
weeks.
harsh weather make it even more fragile. A century may pass before scarred tundra heals. How do you scar a tundra?
Drive your ATV off road or you walk with
Yeah.
your legs.
Your ATV. Oh, they're waiting for their friends.
We just
No.
block the road. Fuck them. It's so
Oh, look at
nice.
this. It's all sunny and beautiful and grassland.
It's
You know.
gorgeous.
Is that an electrical outlet? Does it work?
Let's go find out.
It's seriously an
Perfect.
And we're looking at that. Yeah, in the middle of nowhere. In the middle of nowhere. Ooh, that's a big angry storm that went through.
squishy.
Sure.
Oh, you know what I wanted to do?
It's
Because
probably
someone,
exactly- it's
people
You want to
sell,
go for it?
people sell electrical outlet stickers. You go around airports
Yeah, and put them on the wall.
and just wait for
that's
someone to
awesome.
come up over and just like, it won't go in.
I really like the fact that it's angled this way, not that way.
It helps.
So I've never filmed myself driving. I probably look like a moron half the time.
Oh, that's fine.
Constant like this, just like sticking my thumb. Like it's gonna. What I'm waiting for is people in the comments section to tell me how you can't drive. That's not how you drive.
Do they do that a lot?
Just go off the mountain.
That is pretty. We're at what, 12,000 something? If I had
Oh, it's probably way more. Compass. 12,270 feet in elevation. So you were right.
Laney,
What?
you just took a flash
I
picture.
don't know where the flash is right now.
That Jeep down there took a picture of us. My Belle, you're not gonna believe this. Your car.
You know that Subaru full of shit.
He's on the fucking mountain.
Down the goddamn mountain.
I feel like we're Grand Theft Mountain because we were going much faster than everybody else. And we're driving like we stole it. Poodles! Tree.
Tree, squirrel, bug, rock, cliff. It's like a mountain goat, this car.
I'm gonna climb that mountain.
The video's not even gonna
Fuck
turn
you.
out. I bet you right now it's like sideways, upside down, pointed out the sunroof.
That was an auto.
Did you see that? What the fuck? You can see it through the helmet. He looked down, I was like, but you can see it. You can feel it through the helmet.
There was a full-on checkout thing too. Did you see the eye dip?
Oh yeah,
Oh,
oh, yeah, I
he's
saw
like-
that. I did too.
Like, film that. Like, look at that.
All I get to see is this lovely rock wall.
Yeah.
Pretty. What if North Korea was just like, fuck this place in particular, and just bombed the shit out of it?
Why would that even come into your head? Where did that come from?
What's wrong with you? I'm starting to think you're not a true Coloradoan here.
That is... Look how...
Doesn't get any better than that, folks.
That's a very steep hill.
Wow. Yes, it is. Jinkies. So, can we go up and over and around?
We go all the way up and then we go down and
Into
it takes you to
Okay.
somewhere. No, Silverton's back that way.
Where is Lake City? I always see the signs for it, but like, where actually is it?
I don't know.
I think it doesn't
I've never
exist.
driven.
It's a conspiracy.
I've never driven to it from here.
It's a North Korean.
Is
conspiracy.
Disneyland real?
All right. If you want to film this, will probably be neat because I'm just gonna keep going.
Now, folks, is when we all fall off.
This
the
is where we
mountain.
slide off the mountain. The GoPro will make it. They'll know exactly what we did when they recover our remains.
Well, we got our black box set up.
Maybe I just turn around.
We're probably at 13,000 something feet right now. Because we're just going up.
You don't realize how steep this incline is.
Well, I mean,
There's Laney. Oh, God.
mind you, everybody, that noise you hear is
Dan's fat ass.
Dan. Oh, hello. Oh, hello.
Hi.
You're gonna make me go on this side, dude.
It's just like 5 viewers back at home.
I have 4,000 subscribers, Devin.
Yeah, they're all there.
I have 3,100 Instagram followers on the Instagram I never post on.
How?
These people like my car. Look at all the yeepers.
Where does that go?
I
Up
thought
to
all
the
the way
top
top
of
of that
that
one.
mountain.
Why?
Look at over there. Look at where. Okay, everyone, get your phones out, millennials. That's where you.
Aren't I
That's on
not
one side of
millennial?
us,
I don't think I'm millennial.
and then that's on the other side
No,
of
I
us.
think you're the last year millennial is
Colorado.
Last patch of snow.
the
Ouch.
last melon.
Well, let's go over here and take some pictures.
We
Dan's just like.
We just want.
Pedals. See, if
I'm
I
always
were
like,
driving, I would have went.
yeah, you would have because it's not your car, and you don't know if there's a rock sitting right there to fucking jack your sump up.
You know what?
This is fuck you.
At least I had some
You
fun.
Why? You don't have the seatbelt on.
Well, it's locked. I was trying to put it back on and it got locked.
Yeah, don't mind Laney's non-seatbeltness at 13,000 feet.
I tried to put it back on.
Let's see, we are at
I don't even know what it's
1292.
Doom point.
Oh, Dom
Oh, I thought
point.
it said Doom.
Oh, I thought that said Doom 2.
You need the glasses.
All right, we're turning this off.
Here you go.
Who's this guy from, Iowa?
How did they get up here from Iowa?
They drove.